NEET 2024 application process has started on February 9. The application window will be open for a month, hence you must act fast and complete the application process on time. This video of shiksha.com brings to you the step-by-step procedure on how to fill the application form of NEET 2024. The first step is to visit the official website of the exam, www.neet.ntaonline.in. Click on the New Candidate Register Here tab. Download the information bulletin and read the instructions carefully. Click on the checkbox and proceed towards registration. Here you have to choose the login and identification for the online submission of the form among Aadhaar number, DigiLocker account, Academic Bank of Credits or ABC ID, PAN card and passport, and enter the identity card number. After that, click on the Proceed tab and complete the registration process. Enter the basic details like your name, parents' name, date of birth, gender, nationality, etc. Here you have to again select the identity type and identification number and enter your contact details. Create the password and select the security question and add the answer. After verifying the details entered and clicking on the agreement checkbox, you will receive an OTP on your registered email address. Once verified, your registration process will be completed. You will receive your NEET 2024 application number and password at your email address. Next, you have to log in with your NEET 2024 application number and password and complete the application process. The first step is the personal details, where you have to enter the rest of your information such as category, if you are the only child of your parents, which is applicable only for female candidates, if you are diabetic, annual family income, mode of NEET preparation and country of residence. Here, you have to also answer if you intend to wear customary attire on the exam day. Once the personal details are saved carefully, you have to answer whether you belong to the person with disability category. If yes, you have to enter the type and percentage of disability and mention whether you need a scribe or not. In the next step, you have to answer questions regarding your NEET 2024 question paper medium or language and exam center choice. You can select 2 exam cities within your state of residence. The next step is academic or qualification details, wherein you have to enter your class 10, 11 and 12 qualifying exam details and results along with your school and college and board information. In the additional details section, you will have to enter if you have a twin sibling and both of you are appearing for NEET and whether you had appeared for NEET earlier. The next step is for document upload, where you have to enter your passport and postcard size photographs, signature, finger and thumb impressions of both hands, and PWD certificate and citizenship certificate if applicable. Once done, you have to check all the details and click on the mobile number verification link. You will receive OTP on your registered mobile number. Check and verify all the details and click on Final Submit tab. The last and final step is to pay the application fee. The amount and modes of payment will be displayed on screen. You have to check the details and pay the requisite amount through credit card, debit card, net banking or UPI modes. Once the fee is paid, you will receive the application confirmation on your registered email and mobile number. You are advised to take a printout of the NEET application confirmation page and preserve it till the admission process. This was all about NEET 2024 application process. Feel free to reach out to us for queries in the comment section below. All the best.